Hi, hola, bonjour, and Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. In part 9 of our plastic shredder assembly series, we focus on attaching one fixed blade to the frame to demonstrate the concept and technique of blade mounting. This step shows how the stationary cutting edge aligns with the rotating blades, using mates to fix it securely in place. It's a critical preview of how the rest will be patterned later. In part 10, we will assemble the blades again on the other shaft, and in part 11, we will do linear pattern. So stick around as we build a reliable and efficient shredding system, one aligned blade at a time. Please keep supporting us as we dive deeper into mechanical design and development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a step on this engineering journey with Blueprint Bazaar.